Maxima and Minima, Part 7. An open box with a square base has to be made out of a given quantity of cardboard of area C square units, so that the maximum volume of the box is C cube divided by 6 root 3 cubic units. So let's consider the dimension of the square box. So length is say length equal to x, width equal to x, because square box is to be met, and height equal to y. Now here question is that square base has to be made out of given quantity of cardboard. So open box. So we have to find out what is total surface area. So that will be equal to, so area of four sides plus area of the base. So area of four sides will be 4xy plus area of base must be equal to x square, and that will be equal to area of the cardboard, c square. Situation is like this. This is base. This is x. This is x. Now, suppose we make like this and we fold the flaps. And this is y. Then we will get the open box. This is y. 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 So this would be open box, and the area of the material used will be equal to, this is x, so this will be x by, this will be x by, this will also be x by, this will also be x by. So that is why 4xy plus x square equal to c square. Now volume of the box v will be equal to x square times y. So we can get the value of y from here. So y will be equal to c square minus x square divided by 4x. So we can say that volume equal to x square times c square minus x square divided by 4x, which will give, if we simplify, so we get c square x divided by 4 minus x cube divided by 4. So we have got the relation of volume. Now for maximum or minimum, the derivative must be 0. So first of all, we have to differentiate it, and then we will equate it to 0. So let's differentiate this v. So we will get dv upon dx will become c square upon 4 minus 3x square divided by 4. So we can get second derivative also. So d2v by dx2, that will be equal to 0 minus, this is 6x by 4. So that is minus 3x by 2. Now for maxima or minima, the derivative must vanish, that is dv per dx must be equal to 0. So let's write it. So when we write dv upon dx equal to 0, that is c squared by 4 minus 3x squared by 4 equals 0, or c squared by 4 minus or equal to 3x squared by 4, from where 4 will cancel out, and we can get the value of x, that will be c divided by root 3, because x square equal to c square by 3, then taking square root, we are taking positive value. And at this value of x, let's see the sign of second derivative. So second derivative is minus 3x by 2. If we put the value of x and x is positive value, so definitely second derivative will be negative. So, so we can say d2b by dx2 is less than 0 for x equal to c by root 3. It means function is maximum. Now we can find the volume. So we have x equal to c by root 3. Then from relation x square plus 4xy equal to c square, we can get the value of y also. So this will give x square, that is c square upon 3 plus 4y times c upon root 3 equal to c square. So one c will cancel out from here. C and C will cancel out. So what is left? 4y upon root 3 equal to c minus c by 3, that is 2c by 3. So y will be equal to 2c by 3 times root 3 divided by 4. So 2 will cancel out, and then root 3 will divide this 3 by root 3 times. So we can say that y will be equal to c times 2 root 3, because 3 means twice, we can write root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 will cancel out by this root 3, and we will be left with c upon 2 root 3. So we have got the values of x and y. X is c upon root 3 and y is c upon 2 root 3. Now let's see what is volume. So volume is x square y. Here volume of the box I'm writing. So that is v equal to x square y, and we put the values of x and y. So x was c upon root 3. So whole square times y was c upon 2 root 3. So this will become c cube divided by 3 into 2 root 3. That is v equal to c cube divided by 6 root 3. Now let's go back to the question. The question was, an open box with a square base has to be made out of a given quantity of cardboard of area c square square unit. Show that the maximum volume of the box is c cube divided by 6 root 3. And here our answer is v equal to c cube divided by 6 root 3. Hence, it is proved. Thank you for watching.